Exercise 1-8, combined and split paragraphs. At the end of the first paragraph, position the insertion point to the left of the paragraph mark, after the period following West Virginia. Press delete once. The two paragraphs are now combined or merged into one. Press spacebar once to insert a space between the sentences. With the insertion point to the left of 4 in the combined paragraph, press Enter to split the paragraph. Naming and saving a document. Your document, called Document 1, is stored in your computer's temporary memory. Until you name and save the document, the data can be lost if you have a power failure or a computer hardware problem. It is always good to save your work frequently. The first step in saving a document for future use is to assign a file name. File names can contain up to 260 characters. The following characters on your worksheet cannot be used in a file name. File names can include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, or a combined of both uppercase and lowercase letters. They can also include spaces. For example, a file can be named Business Plan. Throughout this course, document file names will consist of your initials, which might be your initials or the identifier your instructor asks you to use, followed by the number of the exercise, such as 1-12. You can use either the save command or the save as command to save a document. Here are some guidelines about saving documents. Use save as when you name and save a file for the first time. Use save as when you save an existing file under a new name. Save as creates an entirely new file and leaves the original unchanged. Use save to update an existing document. For this course, you will create a new folder for each lesson and store your completed exercise documents in these folders. Exercise 1-9, name and save a document. Click the File tab to open the Backstage view and click Save As. Locate the box that states File Name. A suggested file name is highlighted. Replace this file name by keying your initials, 1-9. In the navigation page, choose the appropriate drive for your removable storage device. In this case, it's coming up as D. Click on the New Folder button, located at the top. Key the folder name, your initials, Lesson 1. Open the folder and press Save. Open the File tab and click Close. The Close command is in Backstage View closes the current document but does not exit the Word program. If you click the Close button located on the title bar, and no other documents are open, you exit Word. Opening in an existing document. Instead of creating a new document for this exercise, you start this exercise by opening in an existing document. There are several ways to open a document. Choose Open from the File tab, press Ctrl-O, or use the Documents link in the Recent Documents file listing. Exercise 1-10. Click on the File tab to open the Backstage view. Click Open to display the Open dialog box. You are going to open a student file named Campbell-1. To do this, you are going to click on the removable disk, click on the folder A Lesson Approach, and open Lesson 1. Find the file Campbell-1, highlight it, and click Open. Under the File tab, choose Save As. You are going to save Campbell-1 under a new file name. Use the navigation pane to locate the appropriate drive and the folder you created for Lesson 1. Removable disk. Find your folder. Double-click. Verify that the file's original name, Campbell-1, is selected. If it is not, double-click on it. Key the file name, your initials, 1-10, and click Save.